Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for August 29th. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This pair closed up during today's session. Very tight range from open to close. It did create an inside bar. We are looking for this pair to overall continue moving sideways, possibly going as high as 77.34, possibly as low as 76.17. Look for some resistance around 77.15 and look for some support around 76.50. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair broke previous area of resistance, did pull back though and close below it. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 46.26, possibly moving down to 43.77. Look for some resistance around 145.50 and look for some support around 144.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair surged to the upside, has created a swing trade setup. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 165.20, possibly as low as 162.51. Look for some resistance around 164.50 and look for some support around 163.25. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed higher during today's session. It's moving higher. We haven't broke our 200-day moving average as of yet to the upside, but we are headed in that direction. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.8296, possibly as low as 0.8005. Look for some resistance around 0.8242 and look for some support around 0.8050. Now, as far as what I'm looking at during this next session, we did create an inside bar on, well, before we get into that, we do have two news announcements being released tomorrow. We have the consumer confidence report for the U.S. being released at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has dropped from 59.5 to 52.0. We also have the Fed releasing their minutes for August 9th, the FOMC meeting at 2 p.m. Eastern. Of course, the numbers have already been released, so the minutes really won't affect the market all that much. Now, as far as trades, look at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This pair created an inside bar during today's session. It did have a swing trade set up as well. We had swing trade set up yesterday, and it didn't break that. We did now have created an inside bar, so we have the potential for that to be broken to the downside. To the upside, we have a target as well. To the downside, basically in either direction, we have a scalp we're looking for to the downside, looking to grab about 18 pips. To the upside, looking to grab about 18 pips as well. So looking for a buy at 77.51, exiting at 77.68. Looking for a short at 76.46 and looking for that exit at 76.29. Okay, let's take a look at the pound US dollar pair. This pair has created a swing trade setup over the past 3 sessions. Let me draw a line here. It's a little bit from the open, but nonetheless we could get a buy out of this. And it could move on up. First target I'd look for would be right about here. So this is going to be a quick scalp as well. Quick move, about 38 pips. To get there, we need about a move of 76. So about 110 pips total. Definitely doable in the pound. So we'll see if we get that break to the upside and be able to enter our buy from there. Well, that wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.